All right, this is going to be Uprising by Muse. So at the beginning of this song, we have bass and drums, and we have Matt Bellamy doing some vocals. So he waits for a while before he actually starts playing guitar. When he does come in, it's with this unison bend twice. This will be the 13th fret of the second string, 10th fret of the first string. So you go. Okay, you can kind of slide it down or just do the two bends. But we're bending the 13 of the second string with holding the 10 of the first string. Okay, that's gonna happen a ton of times during the song. So that happens one time, and then we wait again. There's more vocals, another one of these. How about try one of those with me? So we're gonna hit on the 4. So 1, 2, 3. So it's like 1, a 2, a 3, a 4, and 1, a 2, a 3, a 4. Okay, then we get into a little thing here for, this is like a chorus at the beginning of the song. We're gonna go. So let's look at that part. So we have 17 on the first string and then 13. We got. Now we have 14 and 15 on the G string right there, and then we're gonna go. So that was a 17 to 15 pull off and down to 14 on the G string. Okay, so we had 17, 13, 14, 15 on the G. Then we're going to come back to 17. We're going to go 17 to 12 and a little bit faster this time. So that was 14 on the second, 14 on the third. And then we're going 18 on the first string. And that was like the same type of thing. That was a 20 to 18 pull off, going to 17. Now we have a faster one. We're going to go. Okay, so that's straight down and up the same type of arpeggio or triad. So we got 17, 13, and then 15. 14 is going to be on the G string. Then we go straight back up those same notes. 15 on the second. It's a little 18 there. Same little thing, 20 to 18 to 17. So let's look at everything we have so far. We got. And then our last part. And then 14 on the G. Little 15. 13, 12, 13. Okay, so one more time through we got. Okay, and at that point, we wait 2 bars. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. We start getting into an octave thing here in the guitar rhythm. So we have 5 on the 5th string, 7 on the G string. Those are D notes, octave. So we got. Okay, so that's 2 bars of that setting up the verse. So we got down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up. Okay, so it's da-dum, da-da-dum, 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 dump. And we're gonna have some variations on that, but that's the basic kind of rhythm of this verse and chorus kind of stuff coming up. So once again, we got 3, 4. Now we're on the verse. We're gonna have. So there's a little bit of extra strum in there at the end of the second measure. So we got. Da-dum, da-dum, da. Okay, so it's. Da-dum, da-da-da-da-da. Okay, so I'm going to continue on with the verse. 3, 4. Okay, so we did a kind of a regular measure of the D, just like the first one of the verse. And then we went down to the C notes, 3 and 5 down here, and we did those extra strums. Then we're going to come up 1 fret to the 4 and 6. yeah, the second measure had those extra strums. So every second measure through here has the extra strums. So from the verse again, 3, 4. Now we're gonna go back up to 5. Okay, so we only have time to do the regular measure. New measure, we get a da-dum, da-dum, and then we're... Okay, then we have a little bit taking us into a chorus here. This is gonna go a little differently. It's gonna go... Okay, so I was a little staggered, a little choppy, so we got... So when we had the da-dum, da-da-dum, dum, right after that, when we normally have a new one on the one of the new measure, but we won't have that, so it'll be like up, 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 down, up, down, up, down, up. And that one has the extra one at the end that we didn't have halfway through that. So once again, this new kind of pre-chorus bit. Okay, then we start power chords with the same type of rhythm. Then we're going to jump down to the 5, 7, 8 down here off the D string. Okay, and these, every second measure here has those kind of extra strums too. So we got... Okay, then we're going to come to an A chord, 7, 6, 5. Okay, 2 measures of that, and we got this one. So on that one, we're going to jump from this one halfway through to the 2s over here from an A chord. So we got... Then we're back to the D. This time we have an A flat, 6, 5, 4. So we had the F over here, and this is a G, and this is an F here. Then we're going to A over here, 7, 6, 5. This is the G. So here we go from the F to the A twice. We got to hit our note there, our bend there. Okay, so once again through that chorus, 3, 4. Okay, then we're getting into the guitar solo. We're going to have... Okay, so we have that riff 4 times. It's open, 3, and then 5, 6, 7, double hammer, and then down to the A string, 3, 4, 5. So let's try that. 2, 3, 4. Then we have a riff up higher here. We have a... Okay, so we start with 2 10s on the second string. 13 to 10. 13's on the G. See how we went 13, 10, then 12, 10, then 10, 10. Then we're going to go 14, 10. 14's on the D string this time. And then 12 to 10, then 11 to 10, and then 12 on the A string kind of slide down. So it's... Okay, so up to speed, we got... Okay, so we had a... So we had 13 and 15 over here on the 5th and 3rd strings. Slide down 1 fret with each, do it twice. So we're gonna do the 12 and 14 twice extra. slide the 10 into the 12, and actually you only have time for like one bend, I think. Back into that, so it's... This time we add a little bit of extra notes. So we have kind of triplets we're going to add in here. Okay, so we have more notes. We have 13, 10 to 13. We do that with each set. So we got 12, 10, 12, 10, 10, 10. So we got... Okay, so we do the same thing on those 14, 10, 14, 12, 10, 11, 10. Still slide that A string 12th fret down. So keep going, same stuff. So here we get into a 1, 2, 3, 4, 1 and a 2 and a 3 and a 4 and a. Okay, so same thing with unison bends, just faster and more. Okay, so we have 4 bends on here. 1 and a 2 and a 3 and a 4 and a. And then we're back to the chorus chords. So I'm going to skip that. You can go back and see how those chorus chords go. Now at the end here, we're going to have, it's going to end the chorus chords with the, we got one of those again. And then we're going to have one more melody. We're going to have, okay, so that was kind of like the second half of what we had before with those melodies. So it gets right into a quicker melody, and it's kind of further into what we did before. So one more time on that, we got, this is the 17, 13, 15, 14 thing, so. 15, 18, and then you got its little pull off. Then we got 17, 12, 14, 14. 14, little 15, 13, 12, 13, and bends. All right, Uprising by Muse, Matt Bellamy on guitar, some great stuff. Got 3 pages of tabs with this. Talk to y'all soon.